here of YugaTech, and Vivo has been really fast in following up their V series. We haven't even fully enjoyed the X21 yet, but boom, there's the V11. And if you want to watch more content about the Vivo V11, we have the full review and a couple of comparisons as well, where you can find on the link here or down below. And moving on to this video, the V11 has a pretty strong emphasis on the AI side of things. So today I'll be taking y'all on a deeper dive into that, because Vivo is heavily marketing the AI capabilities of their phones, but a lot of regular consumers don't know what that is. So for all of you out there curious, this video is made just for you. So from cameras to the game boosting feature to a custom AI assistant called Jovi, the Vivo V11 has most of the bases covered. Well, pretty much. So to start things, let's talk more about Jovi. So it's a custom AI assistant like Bixby, Siri, or Google Assistant. Jovi is a rather interesting sounding name. But what does it mean? It literally stands for Enjoy Vivo's AI. Which is kinda cute, I gotta admit. So it handles the three main aspects of the V11's AI, which are the cameras, gaming performance, and a smart scene feature. So, AI cameras, a big buzz in the smartphone world nowadays. So for this one, we're only gonna be scratching the surface because we have another video where we go in depth on the Vivo V11's AI cameras. As usual, link. So with the power of Jovi, the V11's cameras are now AI-powered shooters with a nice set of features. We have AI face beauty technology for both the dual rear cameras and the front selfie camera, which not only makes your face look smooth and fresh, but also enhances your individual facial features. Jawline, anybody? We also have 5 new AI selfie lighting effects, which uses a special algorithm to more accurately show how your face interacts with light in 3D. And if you're not too sure about how you're framing your shot, well, the V11 will automatically give you some help as well. The AI portrait framing feature tells you exactly how you should position your frame to get the best composition you can. Okay, so next let's see a feature that will surely interest the gamers out there. With the V11's dedicated game mode, which we've talked about a lot in our review, you can automatically get your CPU and RAM usage optimized for focusing resources solely towards gaming. So if you don't know how to activate this, you simply need to add your chosen game to the list in the settings menu. Then when you launch the game, you'll get this nice pop-up that you can pull out from the side. And it also has some new settings for undisturbed gaming. There's a setting for automatically rejecting calls, removing the background call option, and blocking pop-up banner notifications. So with these settings turned on, it's basically, goodbye world, don't disturb Kim, it's Kim's gaming time. I need my Mobile Legends fix. Alright, so lastly we have Jovi Smart Scene, which essentially provides easier and more convenient notifications for your daily mundane activities. With this, you get real-time weather updates, resting notifications, which are my favorite, a step counter, and even updates for your favorite sports. It even has its own dedicated notification bar, so for those of you who like to keep track of things, this is a really cool feature. Smart Scene should help you all with that. Alright guys, so those are the Vivo V11 Smart AI features. Do you like how they utilize the AI for its system and cameras? Or do you think it's not enough? Let us know in the comment section. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more content, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Again, this is Kim of YugaTech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!